Happy holidays. Thanksgiving's next week, and I've got a couple of really good cheese ball ideas for you if you'd like to give these a try. These are family favorites. And also in this video, I want to share with you my decorated kitchen. I have got it all decked out with all my favorite things, and I call this my grandma core decorating, but it's fun. The grandchildren love it, and I love to do it. So stay tuned for that in the video. But first, we're going to make a couple of really good cheese balls. Easy, fast, and they're delicious. The first one is a chopped olive and cream cheese ball. So you're going to need a jar of green olives, a bag of, I bought the 5 cheese Italian blend, and then 2 packs of cream cheese. Now, you can serve this on crackers, or you can stuff celery with this. It makes a delicious cheese ball for those olive lovers. Now, the second one, which is the all-time family favorite, is the dried beef cheese ball. And you need a jar of Armour dried beef. You get this in the meat section where the tunas and the canned chicken is. And we're going to be shredding this up and making the cheese ball with this, some really good Worcestershire sauce, and cream cheese. And you serve this on crackers. So let's get busy making these 2 cheese balls, and then I'll give you a tour of the kitchen. All right, first up, the olive cheese ball. I've got my 2 packages of cream cheese. I'm going to take half of this jar of chopped olives, and I'm trying to drain off that juice. I don't want the juice in there. And then 1 cup of the Italian blend cheese. Kraft is a very good brand. So we're going to put that in the bowl and mix this all together, making sure to get olives all throughout this cream cheese. And then once we have it mixed well, we're going to roll it into a ball. And then I have some extra shredded cheese, and we're just going to roll it in that. Now, you could use some finely chopped walnuts and roll it in that. I've done that before, but this is easy and fast and delicious. Now let's move on to the dried beef, another easy one. I grated that whole jar of the dried beef. Some of it's left in a plate to roll the cheese ball in, and the rest is going right in the 2 packages of cream cheese. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So after we pour in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, we're going to take our hands and just mix this all together, making sure that Worcestershire sauce gets all through the cream cheese. And this takes just a few minutes, and then we'll start shaping it into a ball, just like we did the other cheese ball, and then we're going to roll it in that grated dried beef. There it is, beautiful little cheese ball. Now, most of the time I'll make this with 3 packages of cream cheese, but since I'm making 2, I just did it with 2 packs. But it gets gone fast. There's no leftovers on this. Then roll it all in that dried beef, and you are good to go. All right, the cheese balls are all ready. They are delicious. The chipped beef and cream cheese tastes like steak and cheese on a cracker. It is so good. So I'm gonna give a little taste test of this one. Worcestershire sauce, dried beef, and cream cheese. That's all you need. I have to make this for every holiday because my kids love it. It's so good. Now the next one is my favorite because I love olives. I grew up eating olives. I love them. I love them in this cream cheese with this Italian 4 blend cheese. You can put this on a cracker, or you can stuff some celery with it. Either way. Makes a beautiful charcuterie tray for your guests. I would highly recommend you try these. Now you can make them ahead of time, wrap them up in some plastic wrap, put them in the freezer, and then just pull them out right before your guests arrive. And it's delicious, both of them. So I'm going to finish up this little bit I've made up while you take a tour of the kitchen and the dining room. First, I'm going to show you a few new things that I got this year, and then I'll go right into the video of the kitchen with some music, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all so much for watching my little channel. I really appreciate all my loyal subscribers. And if you make cheese balls, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you've already decorated, let me know. I want to know. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. For the past 4 years, I've been collecting this red pottery from Mission Pottery in Lexington, North Carolina. And this is my new piece. I love it. And my very dearest friend made me this hot cocoa bar sign, and I love that. She painted all these pieces and put it together for me. What a treasure. I'm so excited to use this during the holidays. And then, of course, there is my elf basket. I have a video on that. I will link it below on how to make it. This is something new. I picked up this sock snowman at a craft fair, and I want to make some of these next year. I thought it was so sweet. Now, on with the Christmas tour. Enjoy.